Introducing the Utalent 8-speed power hand blender. Experience precise speed control with the 2-button soft turbo switch. And with the 8-speed dial, you can get the perfect mix each time. Make delicious homemade fruit and vegetable smoothies with the push of a button. Puree peaches for natural and healthy food for your baby. With the Whisk attachment, scrambling eggs is a breeze. The 4 ultra-sharp rotary blades were designed for your toughest tasks. And for easier mixing in deep stovetop pots, simply attach the extender and stir at the press of a button. The milk frother can be used to create a nice foamy touch to your favorite cup of coffee. For easy and convenient storage, simply use the built-in rubber grommet. For premium performance, get the Utalent Kitchen Assistant today because you deserve it.